Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shula. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. In this channel we have home decor and home organization. So I just moved into my new construction home, so I am beginning a series on this channel known as new construction homes. So in this series I will just be updating about the pros and cons of a new construction home. So if you're interested in having more updates on new construction homes, please do me a favor, click the like button and also click the subscribe button for more information from this channel on new construction homes. So today's update, I am getting my internet services installed today. So I am going to be sharing with you how you can get a really good deal on a high speed internet in a new construction area. So if that is something you're interested in watching today, stay tuned. Hello again everyone, I'm here again with some daily updates. I have AT&T here to install my internet. So to get a really good deal on your internet service, that is to get high-speed internet at really low cost, you have to start by negotiating the price. So when they give you a price, negotiate it. So let's say they tell you that the lowest they've got right now is $60 a month. You could still tell them, okay, I'm going to go with someone else, I'm going to go with another service, I'm going to go with another internet provider. So with that, they're going to lower it even lower. So that is how I got a really low price on high-speed internet. And the services I went with was AT&T. So you might want to check AT&T for high-speed internet services for low prices. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. For more updates, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified with every new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.